Welcome back to day 24 of our 100 days of Java series. Today we are talking about static keyword, one of the most important concepts in Java. So what is static keyword? Think of static like a shared property for all objects. Normally each object has its own copy of variables. Static variables are shared among all objects of that class. You can access static stuff without creating an object. It's like having a shared scoreboard for all players in a game. Everyone can see the same score, but it belongs to the game, not a single player. Let's build employee count tracker. Class employee string name static int employee count equal to 0. Employee string name this dot name equal to name employee count plus plus static void display employee count system.out.println total employees equal plus employee count. Public class static demo public static void main string args employee e1 equal to new employee Alice, employee e2 equal to new employee Bob, employee e3 equal to new employee Charlie, employee.display employee count, and the output will be total employees 3. In here, employee count is static. It's shared by all employees. Whenever we create a new employee, the count increases for everyone. We don't need to use an object to check the total count. We can directly call employee.display employee count. It's like Iron Man building multiple suits, but the main AI system tracks how many suits exist. Each suit doesn't track itself individually. It relies on the shared system. So why use static? To share data across all objects, to create utility methods that doesn't depend on other state, to keep track of things globally in your program.